The first question from Y side. Define longitudinal waves.
In longitudinal wave, the particle of the medium move back the force along the direction of propagation of wave.
Now, from the girl side, difference between mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves.
The wave mechanical waves, the wave which require any medium for their propagation is called mechanical waves. For example, sound waves and water waves. Electromagnetic waves, the waves which require and which do not require any medium for their propagation.
Question from Y side is difference between rarefaction and reflection.
Rarefaction and reflection. सर जी दो है, एक रिफ्लेक्शन है और एक रिफ्रैक्शन. रेयर फ्रैक्शन, रेयर फ्रैक्शन और reflection. Rare fraction of reflection. When a wave moving in one medium fall on the surface of another medium, they bounce back to the first medium. Is at some the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Rare fraction की है. When a reflection की, when a wave moving in one medium fall on the surface of another medium, they bounce back into the first medium. They bounce back into the first medium at the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Rare fraction की है refraction की. Rare fraction की है the region of a wave where part the region of a wave. Rare fraction की आप rare अच्छा refraction when a wave moving in one medium enter into the second medium. Rare fraction the region of a wave where the region of wave where the particle of the medium the region of wave where the particle of the medium spaced at past is called the rare fraction of the.
The region नहीं आना था, स्टार्टिंग से बिल्कुल गलत सुना लिया.
The region सर जी आना था.
लेकिन उसका स्टार्ट
ओके था लिखा हुआ है, वो दूसरी जगह पर लिखा हुआ है.
Okay, then the question from that side is difference between compression and draft.
compression and compression and the region of wave where the particles of the medium close to each other is called compression. The trough is the
Almost.
बोला आंसर गलत करो, वो ये बात.
trough is the lowest point of the particles of the medium from the mean position.
Okay. The question from the first side, write down the pictures of simple harmonic motion.
A body executed simple harmonic motion always vibrate about a fixed position. Its acceleration is always directed toward the mean position. The magnitude of acceleration is always directly proportional to the displacement for the mean position. For example, acceleration will be zero at the mean position, at maximum at the extreme position.
Okay, the question from the girl side is difference between frequency and time period.
The time taken by a vibrating body. तो ये बुक वाली दोनों की हैं, ये दोनों जो हैं बुक वाली की हैं.
Okay.
The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time taken, and the frequency. The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time taken.
To complete.
One vibration is called time taken.
Okay, then.
Frequency and the number of vibrational cycles of vibration in 1 second is called its frequency. Frequency is its local.
Then question from the boy side is what is the symbol of wavelength?
Symbol of wavelength lambda.
Define restoring force.
Define restoring force. A restoring force. A restoring force. A restoring force. Are restoring parts of the body. Are restoring parts of the body. The object oscillatory. The object oscillatory about its main position is called.
Next question from my side. Define transfer waves.
In the case of transfer wave, the vibratory motion of the particle of the medium is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of example wave on the surface of water. And the light wave is an example of.
Next question from the girl side is define amplitude.
Define
Amplitude.
the maximum displacement. The maximum displacement of the vibrating body on either side from its main position is called.
Okay, the last question from the boy side is define simple harmonic motion division.
मुश्किल सवाल करें आपसे पहली डेफिनेशन है
Define simple harmonic motion division.
Example of simple harmonic motion: motion of mass attached to a spring, motion of mass attached to a spring, motion of mass attached to a spring, motion of simple pendulum, ball and bowl system. Ball and bowl system, motion of mass attached to a spring.
Definition.
आपने एग्जांपल क्या?
Define simple harmonic motion with example.
Simple harmonic motion occur when the net force is directly proportional to the displacement for the mean position and is always directed toward the mean position. Example of simple harmonic motion: motion of mass attached to a spring, ball and bowl system, simple motion of simple pendulum.
How to write it mathematically?
Acceleration directly proportional to minus x, where x is acceleration, acceleration is always directed toward the mean position. Directly toward the mean position, x is displacement for the mean position.
And so we use the boy side minute.